Good evening, everyone. Again, it's late. Well, it's 11:30, and I went to bed about a half hour ago. I don't think I'm gonna do what I did last night with the fake farting. It's too expected. He knows it's me. Although it is still funny, but it was brought up to me by an old schoolmate of mine from way back in the day. If I still made my other sounds. I think I don't know, I was young when my dad, I can belch on command, like, disgusting. Like, it's disgusting. Like a man that just had a case of beer belch. And I can do it on command. Just make myself do it. And I was kind of known for it in junior high. It was kind of like what I did because I'm weird. And the thing is, I got in trouble for it a lot. And I remember my 6th grade teacher, Mr. Basinger, told me I got sent out in the hallway, because I did get sent out in the hallway a lot. And he came out and he said to me, "I've had young boys act like you, but never a young lady." And I thought, well, what does that mean? And thinking about it today, that ain't even right. I mean, so when a girl turns a certain age, she's supposed to wear little dresses and carry flowers and be quiet and, meek and mildly raise her hand. And I mean, he was just a very proper man, so he wore a suit and was very stoic. So I'm sure he didn't mean it in the way it comes across. But thinking back about that, if a boy belches in class, yeah, he probably gets scolded, but everybody laughs, and the teacher probably, just disregards it as, oh, it's a boy, that's more acceptable. But I do it, and I get sent out in the hall, and one time I had to write 500 sentences. I will not belch in the hallway. That was in 6th grade, too. That same teacher, on my report card, we got our report cards every 9 weeks, and there was a comment section. And in the comment section, my mom still has this report card. This is no joke. He wrote, "Continues to make vulgar continues to make vulgar sounds." So, I don't know. They should have recognized that I was completely bored with the material they were teaching. I went to a very small school, so there wasn't a lot of variety in the classes and things like that. So I think part of it was I was very bored, and 2, I was just, that's just my nature to be silly and ornery and kind of act out like that anyways. But after having talked about this, I don't know if any of you would like to hear me belch. I can. I'm going to catch so much shit for this. I'm also pretty intelligent. There's more depth to me than what I'm about to do and what I did last night with the fake farting and whatnot. But, okay. I don't want you have to get prepared. I'm such an asshole. Anyways, it's a good thing that I don't have to work, because if I were to ever apply for a job and they want to do some research on me, I'd have to erase everything off my Facebook. They'd be like, yeah, we don't want that girl working for us. Oddly enough, that kind of behavior, I actually did worse behavior at a lot of my companies, but since then I've grown up somewhat. I'm sober now, so you're getting the sober version of Lisa. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a good evening. I should take this in and go belch and but I won't. I don't know, maybe I will. Okay, come on, let's go do it. I'll go do it real quick, see what he does. He's probably fallen asleep by now. Hold on. Oh, there's my dog. There's my dog, buddy. Okay. Here it goes. I don't think he heard it. Honey.
Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Am I okay?
Yeah, honey.
My stomach hurts.
Oh, geez.
Thank you for asking if I was okay, though. I don't feel very good. Look over here. I love you. Now my stomach kind of does hurt because I sucked all that air into it. Ugh. I think I got one stuck now. Oh, boy. I tripped over my dog. Okay. So, anyways, come here, buddy. Come here. Say hello. We're going to tell the people good night. Okay, you look in that camera. This is my big moose. Oh, wait. He's a dog. But he is kind of like a moose. He's very big. Okay, well, good night. All right, everybody. Good night. Sweet dreams. Bye-bye.